Today, we are going to walk you through how to install your elephant glass screen protector. Inside the box, you will find the elephant glass attached to the applicator, a cleaning kit, and a manual. The applicator is tailored to the specific model and brand of smartphone displayed on the cover of the box. If you have purchased a set of several elephant glasses, you will have a reusable applicator that looks like this. Store it for future usage and refer to page 2 of your instruction manual to follow your specific step-by-step applicator installation. Let's start with the cleaning kit. It is essential that the screen of your device is perfectly clean before applying the glass to it. Turn off your device, as a black screen will reveal more dust. Open the wet cloth envelope and gently wipe the surface of your device. Clean the entire surface of the screen, including the edges. Once you are done, dry and clean the screen with the microfiber cloth. Be sure to look at the surface of your screen from different angles to make sure there is no dirt or dust. Finally, peel off the protection film from the sticker in your cleaning kit and apply it repeatedly over the surface of your screen's device to lift any remaining dust. Next, peel off the protective film on the back of your elephant glass. This protective film can be either white or transparent. Place the applicator over your device, with your device's screen facing up towards the elephant glass. Gently press the elephant glass on your device's screen. Your elephant glass is now perfectly set and adjusted. Gently press down again to push out the thin layer of air left between the elephant glass and your device. Leave it untouched for 2 minutes while the glue takes effect. All versions of the product contain a detailed instruction manual, and for lifetime warranty elephant glass users, the serial number to activate the warranty is on page 26. You are now ready to use your device.